Today we come across the Alaskan Ulu knife from the Ulu factory in Anchorage, Alaska. I ordered this legendary knife off the internet, and this is how it arrived. The packaging is, well, about what you'd expect from a souvenir shop. We've got the knife here and the display stand down in this corner. Let's go ahead and get this thing out of the box and see what it looks like. We've got the small block that serves as the display stand, or storage stand. And opening up the other end, we've got the knife itself. We've also got a nice little instruction booklet. The knife itself is solid stainless steel construction with a wooden handle and brass pins. This type of knife is designed to be rocked and not slid or drawn towards you to cut. Kind of a unique design specific to the Ulu. The fit and finish is about what I'd expect from a $20 knife. The brass pins are slightly raised, you can kind of feel them at the edge of the wood there. But overall, it feels pretty solid in the hand. Those could be buffed down if you really wanted to. The knife itself is super sharp. Overall, I'm pretty satisfied straight out of the box, but we're going to have to see how it performs. The knife itself also comes with an instruction booklet for those who want a little bit more history on the Ulu, or may not know how an Ulu is designed to work. Not very detailed, but pretty cool. Straight out of the package, the wooden handle is extremely dry, and the way that I went ahead and fixed that problem is, well, I just grabbed a little bit of this stuff, some mineral oil, and liberally applied it to the handle. As you can see, I just poured the mineral oil directly onto the handle and just rub it in with my finger. I liberally apply the stuff because as dry as this wood is, it sucks it right up. This is food grade, so it doesn't matter if we get it on the blade. We're going to apply a little bit more to the other side here. And our Ulu is already looking a lot better. So how does this thing perform? Well, let's try a couple different things here. An Ulu is designed for chopping, not for splitting. But I'm going to go ahead and try to split this carrot all the same. As you can see, it takes a steady hand and constant pressure to get the Ulu to effectively slice something in a lateral direction like this. Something like carrots or celery. Celery might be a little bit easier. They're not going to be as stiff as carrots. But as you can see, this is not where the Ulu shines. Cut this piece right here just to get it out of the way. Slow and steady. You can get a little bit better cut, but not much better. Try this one more time. There you go. Where the Ulu shines, however, is in just chopping things. The rocking feature allows you to make quick work of carrots or anything that you would need to cut in a similar fashion. I'm going to demonstrate this one more time. Again, lengthwise, very difficult to cut. Let's see if we draw this blade down the length of the carrot, like you would a regular knife. Again, this is not the way that an Ulu is designed to be used. Just try to rock it through here. And cut our little carrot sticks. Again, it's not optimal for this application. But the more patient you are and the more time you take, the better you can get at it. Again, if you just want to chop something quickly, I'm not sure anything will work quite as well as an ulu. Here we have a piece of steak. Let's see how the ulu performs here. Very nice clean cut. Wow, that is smooth. I do like the way that it cuts through here. Very nice on cutting the slices of steak there. I could see that being used very easily in a lot of different applications. And as you can see, the chopping feature, just about flawless. With a steady hand, the ulu also cuts citrus fruit very cleanly. Quite frankly, I can't argue with that. At the end of the day, how do I like the ulu? Well, I've almost cut the tip of my finger off a couple times, but overall, I'm very impressed. This is a solid, sharp knife that's well worth adding to any kitchen. If you enjoyed this video, you know I'd appreciate that thumbs up like. Feel free to follow us on Instagram and see what projects don't make it to video. And maybe, just maybe, I'll see you on the next video. If you enjoy videos about the randomness of our amazing world, consider clicking on the globe to subscribe, or maybe checking out one of the other videos right here.